In this video, we're going to see how we can download and update the latest drivers for our graphic card. And in my case, I have NVIDIA here, but a similar process you can do with other type of graphic cards. So I want to show you here first. In the downloads, this is where you're going to find the update. So it's essentially an exe file that you need to double click to run and install. And so if we access the sign here, I can go in the English website. Well, it's going to ask you for your product type, the product series, the product itself, the operating system. Now, all this information can be found in your computer. You just need to go in the control panel. So down here, you can just type control panel and access the control panel. And once you are in here, you can just search quickly. So what we're looking for is a device. So if we go here, device, we can go in the device manager. Also here, device manager. And right now I'm using Windows 11, by the way. And here you will find all the hardware installed in your computer. So if I go in this list, I can check a lot of stuff, but look for the display adapters. Expand this and you can see we have 2 graphic cards. So this one is the most important one and is the one that is going to be more active when I play video games or run software like 3D software, rendering, video editing, and much more. So this is the name, this is the code, which is 3070, and then also it's for a laptop, so you need to specify that. So if I go here, we have GeForce already selected, and let me see here. Let me expand this a little bit because we cannot see. Could be an issue with the browser. Let me see another sign here. Okay, this one here works. So you can see I put the name of the graphic card, the series, which is the 30 in my case, and then the code, which is 3070 laptop GPU. So graphic processing units. Operating system is Windows 11, and I can choose also the language. So hit on this green button in this case, which is to find those drivers, and now is sending me here to some results. And you can see I have some options. So I have this game ready driver, which is more for video game. So for like recent video games, when they have updates and patches, DLC, etc., and it doesn't work, you may want to try with this. Otherwise, if you're working with the software like for animation, video editing, photography, much more graphic design, well, in that case, you should go for the studio driver, which I did in my case. And I have all the information here, and you can click here in the download, and there you go. Just save it in your download folder, and once it's there, you just need to open it, or double click or open, and it's gonna launch here the installation. So you choose a folder, and now it's going to extract all the files that are in there, and it's going to proceed with the wizard. So it's really easy. I don't want to bore you with that. You can definitely do it by yourself, and that's it. Once the installation is finished, you're good to go, hopefully. So if you like this video, please subscribe to the channel if you want to stay updated for more, and check out other video courses and video guides that we have on many software on the channel. And also you can join the channel if you want to support us. So thank you very much, and see you in the next video.